Lesson 1 Basic Introductions.
Level 1.
Characters. Lynn teacher. Sam student. Ben a boy. Part 1 saying hello. Hello, I am Lynn.
Hello, I am Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam. I am your teacher.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
Part 2 talking about people. Who is your friend?
He is Ben.
Hello, Ben. How are you?
I am good.
Part 3 What and who. What is this?
It is a book.
Very good. Who is this?
She is my mum.
Part 4 Learning to be. I am, I'm, you are your. He is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's. Part 5 Practicing to be. Who is he?
He is my dad.
Very good. What is this?
It is a pen.
Very good. Part 6 Using a and an. Is it an apple or an apple?
It is an apple.
Great. Is it a car or an car?
It is a car.
Part 7 Goodbye. Bye, Sam.
Bye, teacher.
A lesson recap. You are, your, he is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's. What for things. Who for people. A before B, C, D, D, and before A, E, I, O, U. Lesson 1 Basic Introductions.
Level 2. Characters. Lynn teacher. Sam student.
Ben a boy.
Part 1 Meeting someone for the first time. Hi, I'm Lynn. What's your name?
Hello. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam. I'm your teacher.
Nice to meet you too, Lynn.
Part 2 Talking about people and things. Sam, who's your friend?
His name is Ben. He's my friend.
Hi, Ben. I'm Lynn. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's that in your hand, Ben?
It's an apple.
Ah, an apple. Very nice. Is it good?
Yes, it is.
Part 3 Using what and who. What is it?
It's a book.
Good. Is this your book?
Yes, it is my book.
Great. Is this Ben's apple?
No, it is not Ben's apple. It is my apple.
Good. Who is this?
It's my mom.
Great. Who's your teacher?
You are.
Let's practice. I am Lynn.
You are Lynn.
You are Sam.
I am Sam.
Good. He is Ben.
He is Ben.
Part 4 Learning the verb to be. I am, I'm, you are your. He is, he's, she is, she's. It is, it's, are not, aren't, is not, isn't. Sam, who is he?
He is my brother.
Great. He's your brother. What is this?
It is a phone.
Good. It's a phone. And who is she?
She's my teacher. She's you.
Very good.
She's my teacher. She's you.
Let's talk more. I am a teacher.
You are a teacher.
You are a student.
I am a student.
He is a student too.
He is a student.
Part 5 using articles a an. Let's talk about things. Is this a banana or an apple?
It's a banana.
Great. Now, is this an orange or an orange?
It's an orange.
Good. What is this?
It is a chair.
Great. You are doing so well.
A car. A dog. An apple. An elephant.
Very good. Remember, we use a before B, C, D, and an before A, E, I, O, U. So we say a dog, but an elephant. Part 6 more practice with what and who. What's that?
It's a car.
Great. What's this?
It's a cat.
Very good. Now, who is she?
She's my sister.
And who is he?
He's my dad.
Part 7 review and goodbye. Let's review. Who am I?
You're my teacher.
Yes, I am. And what is this?
It's a pen.
Good. It's a pen. What color is the pen?
It is blue.
Great. The pen is blue. What is this?
It is a bag.
Good, Sam. What is in the bag?
There is an apple in the bag.
An apple. Good. Is it a big apple or a small apple?
It is a big apple.
Perfect. Okay, Sam. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Lynn. Bye.
Lesson recap. I'm. You are, your. He is, he's, she is, she's. It is, it's. Are not, aren't. Is not, isn't. What is for things? Who is for people? Use a with consonants a car, a dog. Use an with vowels an apple, an umbrella.
Kindly subscribe to our channel to get new lessons almost every day. Like and share. Remember to ring the bell.